guys, good morning. Tanjak, it's currently 7, ayan, it's currently 7:38 p.m. So ngayon ay magpa-practice ako para sa journal lesson. Guys, mag-write ako ng SciTech feature at saka yung sa editorial. Kasi tatlo lang yung na-discuss namin kanina. So ayan, magpa-practice muna ako here. Actually guys, meron pa yung editorial cartooning, pero baka guys maka-join ako na stick, kaya pinili ko na lang mag-write para sa editorial. At andito yung mga topic. Ito lang pipilian namin guys. Tingnan mo. Ayan. Siya guys. Ayan. Ayan siya. 5 lang ito guys. I choose the responsibility begins with us. Kasi meron akong idea nito guys at i-apply ko here. So yeah, start na ba ako? Responsibility begins with us.